Welcome CMA students, and there are so many issues about which we are going to discuss in this video. Don't make an opinion at the earliest, just listen to the video and get all the proper information and prepare a right mindset for the future. Right? Let's start. First, I want to talk about the January exams results which were withheld. Many students who submitted, who wrote the paper completely, but their answers were not submitted and their results are totally in a situation where they are not able to decide what to do, what not to do. I request the institute. Sincerely, I request the institute. Personally, I called many central council members, but I request the institute that they have to come up with proper formal communication that they will resolve the issues of Jan 2021 students within a time frame. These don't require design thinking or strategic cost management concepts to plan such things. Simple empathy. Okay, yes, there is a problem. We will solve it within this much time. Already results have come, 15 days time have elapsed till now. COVID time, lot of stress, exam stress. There are so many problems which everybody is facing, including the committees, including the office bearer, including the students. And if suppose your child's results are withheld like this, your child submitted 20, 40 questions and then results have not come, how you would have felt? The students are facing sleepless night, they are not able to consume food. So many problems are there. Just a formal communication, I request the institute that yes, your issue would be resolved by 25th of April or 30th of April, whatever it may be. By sending a timeline, guideline that I will do this problem, solve this problem within this framework will not do any problem to you, but it will give a ray of hope, clarity to the student. आपका कुछ नहीं जाता, but बच्चों का दिलासा मिल जाता. Please, I want the institute to do this in a formal way. I know you are working on solving the problems of the student, but all it takes is official communication with a deadline that we will solve the issue within this time. Okay, I sincerely request the institute to do this. Now, already institute has submitted the queries to the software company A1. The papers are going to come to the institute for rechecking whatever the cases are, right? So students, don't worry, definitely institute will solve the problem, but only thing, formal communication, proper communication is required, and that's what we expect from the institute. We teach professionalism, we teach communication. Obviously it's time we have to follow something. Please, at least in communication. Okay, now come to online and offline examinations, second thing. And one more thing, I am very angry at one point. You are not giving official communications to the student, and when they are informally calling you, you are telling that it is professional misconduct, professional misbehavior. If you are calling to us like this directly, then what they will do? They have no other option. So please, I request that give a simple official communication that your issue, the student's grievance, will be solved within a particular date. Okay, let's go to second one. Online offline exams. Every student is frustrated whether the exams would be online, whether it would be offline. अरे कितना सोचोगे यार? If they conduct online or offline, the syllabus would be same. You have to study the same thing, right? And moreover, conducting home-based exam is a menace for the institute. Many students cheated. It's a blatant fact, everybody know. So it's ruled out. Second thing, if center-based online exams have to be conducted, then center-based online exams can also be conducted in this situation. So it is a 99.99% institute is also thinking, and it's a fact, it's logical, it's reasonable to conduct offline exams only. So I expect and the institute to conduct online offline examinations, and students start writing the things, whatever law paper, tax paper, wherever your writing skills are to be tested, please practice by writing, because exams would be online. 99.99%, right? And if you practice by writing, if suddenly institute keeps online exam also, you will be in an advantageous position. But if you don't do writing practice, online or offline, both way you will suffer. So come on, start studying without thinking that what type of exams would be conducted. You start writing the things for your learning. That would be great. Okay, come to the third question. What would be the exam dates? Obviously either it would be in June last week or July first week. So there is nothing to think about. You also know that it would be in July last week or June last week or July first week. Then why you are taking lot of stress? Whatever institute has to do, they will do. Yes, they may be doing it late. It may be frustrating us. But because of that frustration, if you stop studying, you are just planning to fail. So please don't do such thing. Prepare hard without focusing on any such thing. What is going to happen? Whatever is not in your influence, don't focus on that. What is in your influence? Come on, students, think. What is in your influence? Your time, your preparation, your clarity of the concepts. Come on, work on that. Other things will happen automatically. Right? Now the question comes. Students are actually expecting that suggested answers should be released. Because online exams were conducted, so everybody want to see what the type of questions are so that they can prepare accordingly for the next papers. So we do expect the institute that urgently they should release the suggested answers, right? So these are the 4 areas, and COVID is a menace. People are suffering like hell. So don't come out of your home unless and until it is very important and urgent, right? So all the best. I hope you got clarity on many things. Don't get lot of anxiety, stress and all because of all these things. Yes, the situation is tough. Agreed. The institute is not responding properly on time. Agreed. But you cannot compromise on your duty because you have a deadline. Others may have, may not have. So prepare well, all the best, and lot of revision videos are uploaded on the channel. So subscribe, listen to that videos and stay in touch. Any doubts, anybody in taxation and law, without any hesitation, ping me with a voice message. I am there to answer your questions. We'll meet in the next video.